Hi everyone, this is Anubhuti, mother of Maureen Jaiswal and Yug Jaiswal, who are currently studying in class 8th D and 4th D respectively. As we all know, we are facing an unprecedented situation globally under the impact of COVID 19. Normal day to day life across the world has got tremendously limiting under the lockdown in many countries. India is under a national lockdown for over 4 weeks now to fight this pandemic. While we all stay indoors to ensure social distancing and help break the chain of the virus spread, various innovative approaches are being undertaken to ensure we are able to minimize the impact of the lockdown on the school education. And Bal Bharti Dwarka, which had been extremely proactive and forthcoming in adopting the digital technology to deliver the classes in a very engaging and effective way. Our children are very used to the classroom setup, and hence it took a couple of days to adjust to the new ways of classroom learning using internet medium. But now they enjoying the flexibility, ease, and the effective delivery of the classes. We as parents are also virtually connected with the teachers, and I would like to express our sincere appreciation for the hard work and the dedication they are putting into. We are very happy for our children. Thank you so much. I would like Maureen to speak about what he feels about the way of digital learning. Maureen?
Hi everyone, I am Maureen Jaiswal from class 8D. I would like to talk about the concept of digital learning the school has provided us. I find this method of studying very efficient and very interactive. Microsoft Teams, an app invented by Microsoft, has helped us in interacting with our teachers in a very like a classroom way. I feel that this classroom is virtual in reality, but I feel this is like real. It feels to me that I'm sitting on my school desk and that the teacher is teaching me all the concepts on the blackboard. So, this is a really fun way of teaching. I would ask the school to provide this type of facility in the times of pandemic like COVID-19 right now. So that's a very good